Hi guys, Cooking with Dad here. Today we'll be making black pepper tofu. Gather your ingredients and preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix the tofu that's been cubed with oil, pepper, and oyster sauce. Do this gently using your hands. Once that's done, coat the tofu pieces with cornstarch. Try to evenly coat each piece of tofu and then place the tofu chunks onto a baking tray and try to make sure that they don't touch each other. Leave room between pieces and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. And while the tofu is baking, prepare the sauce and chop your vegetables. Once that's done, add some oil to a preheated skillet and put in the garlic and gingers and the optional fermented black beans if you're using, and saute that gently until it's very aromatic, trying not to burn the garlic. And once it's ready, then you can add the onions, have them cook for a few minutes, moving those around, sauteing them for a few minutes, and then you can add the green peppers and saute those similarly. And this process will take about 5 or 10 minutes. Just keep moving the stuff around. Be patient, and if things get a little sticky in the middle there, you can add a little oil and keep things from sticking. Meanwhile, remove the tofu from the oven and check the vegetables to see if they're done. If they are, you can add the tofu and try to warm everything up by mixing the tofu and the vegetables gently. And then once that's warmed up, you can add the sauce, mix the sauce in with the vegetables, and add a little water in order to keep the mixture from sticking to the pan. You don't want a lot of water. You want just enough to coat all the vegetable pieces that you have in the skillet. And once that's done, you can finish this off by sprinkling it with a little black pepper, and you can plate that and serve it with rice. So, thank you for watching Cooking with Dad. Check out cookingwithdad.net.